Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word Packers. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I am a loyal Packers fan and never miss a game. Packers refers to the Green Bay Packers football team, a professional team based in Green Bay, Wisconsin, known for their storied history and loyal fan base. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.